Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, I want to show you how to make your learning on YouTube very exciting and very easy. Many a time when you watch videos on YouTube, especially video that has to do with education tutorial, sometimes you will want to practice and follow the instructor the way he or she is doing it, but sometimes you find it difficult. For example, I'm on my channel now. I have this tutorial I've done on lookup, and let me just play a bit for you. Hello everyone, and welcome. So this is the video that I've done on lookup. Let's say you want to practice and you want to follow me the way I have done it. Now in the description, I have included the resources. So let's go to the description of the video. Now this is the resources. Now let's download it. Click on download, and then we have this. So we are going to download it as Excel file. So I'll just say download as Microsoft Excel, and then it should download. Now it is downloading and it is done. So let me open it as an Excel file. Now this is the resources that I've uploaded for you guys to practice my introduction to lookup. Now let's say you want to practice the way I'm doing it in the video. You want to do it, but sometimes the options are not available. You find it difficult to scroll up and down, to navigate between tabs and pages, so it may be very difficult. Now one of the options that you have is that sometimes you may want to divide your screen like this. Now you have the screen like this. You have the practice workbook here that you can practice, and then you have the video here. So you want to do it this way, and then watch the video and then practice at the same time. But sometimes it is not convenient because your screen becomes smaller, and then because you have to drag here and there, to see actually what you are doing. Now one of the options that you have is that you can import in Excel. You can import the YouTube video into your Excel, and then you just have it on your Excel worksheet like this, so that as the video is playing, you can practice. So this is how you do it. Now go to insert, and then click on get add-ins, and then this should come up, and then search for web video web video player. Search for it, just click on search, and then this should come up, this first one, web video player, and then add it. Now after adding it, come back to insert, and then click on my add-ons. Now you should see a list of the add-ons that you've done, and this is the one that we just did. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'll click add. Now I have it this way. So let me modify it a bit this way, then I can drag it this way. I'll just to modify it a bit. Now okay, I think it is okay now. So what I can do again is that I'll go back to my YouTube, that video I'm playing. Now this is what I want to follow, this is what I want to practice. So I'll simply copy the URL up there, and then go back to my Excel, and then paste the video here, paste the link in that search box, and then you say set video, and then make sure you are connected to the internet, and then the video, that YouTube video, will automatically load, and then you should be able to play it directly from your Excel. So as the video is playing now, you can then follow the instructor. You don't need to navigate through pages. You are on the same page with Excel. You're on your Excel, and your Excel is still working, and then you have your video one side playing, and then you can now work seamlessly. You don't have to navigate through tabs and pages again. Then life becomes actually easier. And there are other options there. If you come here and you click here, you can see all these other options. You have the share. You can even share directly to Facebook, Twitter, Gmail, and all other social media platforms. You can even add it to copy the link and do some other stuff. And then just come to once you are done, just come here. So once you are done, you just get rid of what this box, and then you get rid of it, and then that's it. So it actually is easier here, bringing the video directly to your Excel workbook, watching the video and then doing the practice. It is actually very, very easy. So if you have learned anything in this short tutorial, kindly like, comment and share. Thank you.